up, moving out. Turn this way, no, turn left and go straight in the hallway. Straight in the hallway, straight in the hallway, straight in the hallway. Take a right. No, yeah, right there. Right there. Go right. Right. Watch your right. Watch your right. Watch your right. Watch the right. Wait for it. See, that's the door right there. They're coming in.
Is there anybody there? Is there anybody there?
Across the way. In the doorway, see that area? Yeah, no one's coming that way. Oh, fuck. Yeah, they're in there. That's why I saw one.
Is that Spanish music?
Yeah, watch the doorway. Watch this doorway. Heads up.
Wait, can you come through this way?
Yeah, they put a doorway in. That goes in there.
Oh my god.
Oh, we got one guy dead over here in the hallway.
They're coming this way then. Fuck. Watch that doorway. Watch that doorway.
Wait, Drew.
Where are they? Watch it. Watch it. Someone in there. What? No, you watch that.
No, I'm asking questions.
What?
That little thing right there?
Yeah, it goes with that. It goes that way. Spraying. They're right here.
No, they got music playing now. The hallways down there?
It's that they put a new room in there, dude. Yeah, well, no, watch that too. Watch that doorway. Fucking dyke. They're coming in. I got it. I'm low.
Go low.
You're hit. They're right at the doorway.
The door?
Fuck, dude. They're coming right in. Watch that center.
Watch, I know, yeah. He's like, oh, damn it.
We yelled paper notate like 10 times.
Paper notate!
No, not you guys.
No, you guys, we know you. That's coming from the left. You paper notate. Are you paper notate?
They didn't say that.
Guys, come on, friendly.
Hey. Yo, in here, paper notate.
Paper notate!
Yo, there's no tape. Yeah. That was just right off his head.
Right in the corner.
He's hit. In the corner, dude. He's hit. Okay.
Where's he getting hit from?
Hit.
I can't see my fucking goggles, dude.
Everyone in here. Everyone on the right side is not. Okay, shadow. Right around the corner here. The one's coming from over there or not?
I'm gonna try to run across from you.
Oh, yeah. Hey!
Who the fuck is that?
Trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Hey! Those guys over here should have all been dead. These guys over here should have all been dead. pedals, so you think.
I'm gonna say this once. You have enough people on the field. Zero tolerance. If I catch anyone not calling the hits, they're going home for the night. I'm gonna deal with any bullshit.
Ah, you got me. Hey, I'm just going through some like grenades. Is there a lot of people in there?
Right behind you.
Yes, ma'am. Is there a lot of people in that room?
I can't see in.
Yes, ma'am.
See if there's coming out.
Yes, ma'am, coming out. Yes,
fuck is
ma'am,
that?
coming out.
I got it ready.
Yeah, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
Who's in there? Pop. You're hit. If you're hit, just say you're hit, come out. Yeah.
Dead man coming in office. Dead man, bro. Anyone like my Spanish music?
Yeah, it's nice. I can't see shit right now.
Laura.
Fuck. I can't see right now. Yo, I can't see. I'm probably like 4. I know like a 2 or a hit. How did they miss me? Yo, I need some backup and you put some fire down in this room. Go.
They're in that room. They're tied into the cardboard.
I'm going through the wall. Let's go around. Let's go around. Chicken Little.
Yo, Thomas, let's go. Thomas, let's go. Which way are we going? Through that way.
Tell these guys. You guys know what they're doing.
Which way do you want to go?
Chicken Little, Mr. Thomas.
They're all over there.
Watch the no, the right way. Go right.
Chicken Little, Chicken Little.
Thomas, go around this way.
Stay, stay, Chicken Little.
No one. That's friendly. That's friendly. Let's go. Let's go. This kid going that way. Let's go. Let's follow him in.
I have 2 wild ones. I use my paper. No one will tell me how much people with it. I'm not wasting on one kid.
That's the problem, though. One or two.
If I'm wasting on one kid,
I got team.
Where are they? Where are they? Are they in here?
No, I got team kill. They come and spawn over there.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Sheriff Spartan.
There's Marvin.
Chicken Little.
Not true. One of my team.
Chicken Little.
Anyone?
Chicken Little, Chicken
Let's go.
Little.
There's not that. I just came from this way. It's like 3 people. Let's go. Dude, let's go.
Where? Oh, fuck. Lay out the fucking fire!
Where are they coming from?
Down range on the left side. Left side.
Hey, is anybody watching out, huh?
watch this side. Right here, they're in
Two,
there.
right, Joe. Two, watch the left.
That felt good. Right there. Ron, he's moving, he's moving.
Drew.
What?
They're on the other side, right there. Watch out. Right there. Watch where you head.
Alright, let's move up, let's move up. Fuck, that hurt. Anyone there? Anyone there? No? Watch out, watch out. Clear. Clear.
What's going on?
That wasn't me. Right there, right down there. Watch out, watch out. Right here. I got him, I got choke.
Next shot, I get shot with somebody's getting shot back.
Fuck you.
You got two of your own teammates?
What's our teammates? Those guys?
Them two that just shot me?
Aim right at us?
You guys no tape?
No, we're taped.
Oh, you taped or no tape? Oh, you're taped. Oh, okay. Oh, my. You shooting at your own teammates.
Watch out. You're hit, you're hit. Let's go, we're clear, move up. Come in, watch that side, Xavier, watch that side, Xavier.
Dead man. That'd be pretty sick if I wasn't dead.
Yo, you see him? Xavier, you see him? Yo, go on this side. Watch this side. I'm going over there. Heads up. Yo, Dan.
Someone's got rage right now.
They're right on the wall. You see him?
No, I don't see it.
I'm down. Spencer.
Just shot this dude right yourself. Where? Right here. I don't know.
Let's run it through. Ow! Do that again and I'm going to pull out.
Well, they're right at they're shooting right around the corner there. I don't know who's around the corner here. You okay? What?
Hit, he's it, he's it. Dead man walking. Dead man. Damn, I'm dead. Okay, I'm back in. Yo, Dan! Put an M203 in there. No, they're straight diagonal down there. They're diagonal, they're straight across. They don't blind fight, dude.
Hey, who's on the left there? You take the building.
What the fuck, dude? I swear I gotta hit these guys. I can't see right now.
Look at what right by. Wait. Like nothing.
Look. I'm gonna go right over there, and you see how they like go extra over there?
Yeah, that's what we're all gonna do.
Watch your right, watch the right. No, you're bleeding.
Anybody know what the office looks like?
Yeah,
How's it look? Looks like a hellhole.
it's not bad right now. I haven't been there. I'm guessing no one's there. Yeah. I have a fake one. Well, a real one, but it's fake. Let's get a shit out of him. Around the corner?
There's no other way to keep going on this side?
Just be careful when you're throwing that.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll on the ground. You can go this way through that way and take a right and go in this first hallway. Like you go this hallway, take a right and go all the way around. You can go that way. Yo. I'm gonna throw a grenade in there. You fucking run in there. Right here. I'm gonna throw it in, and then right when I throw it, turn around the corner and shoot him. Ready? Right when I throw it, go around the corner. Ready? Get closer. Go.
Hey!
Oh.
Make sure you call your head! I fucking hit like 3 of them.
Yo, watch your gun.
No, you can respawn back there in the corner.
No, hit the
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to go through it. I'm going to get my back.
Reach back. I can't see shit. Spencer, where are you?
Watch my back. Anybody see the pineapple grenade?
Yeah, that's me.
Right, right there with the pin still in it.
Yeah, I know. It's fake.
Can I pick it up and check it?
Go ahead if you can get it. There's people right around the corner, though.
Cover it.
I'm gonna spray in there and go. Ready? Go. Hold.
Oh, we got it.
Let me see. Thank you.
Stay there! They're shooting into this room, bud!
Want me to throw it again? Yo, want the grenade?
We got a grenade.
Ready? Right when I throw it in, go. Go, Jordan.
Three shells, he's on the third one with the open barrier.
Go, move. Where's my grenade? Here, roll it. Thank you. Can't see right now. They come behind us. Spencer, where are you? Spencer. You're good. Friendlies. Yo, there's no one in there. There's no one in here. Yo, I've been calling you for like 10 minutes, dude.
I told you.
Turn it on, where's the phone bag, dumbass? Yo, want the grenade? You want the grenade in there? Yo! I'm gonna throw the grenade in there.
Go.
Want the grenade in there? Fucking 2 or 3 down there. I don't have any.
Right here, all to the left. Alright? 3, 2, 1. Go! Go in, actually go in. What the fuck are you doing? Go! There's a barrier.
Next person.
What the hell is that?
Automatic.
That was like that's full auto right there.
That was Xavier, I think. I can't see my fucking goggles are retarded.
We actually have to Xavier, on the count of 3, alright? On the count of 3, just light them up.
Want the grenade in there? Huh? I'll throw a grenade in there. We all run in.
Ready? Count.
Yo, Xavier, where are they?
They're all this way, legit, this way. They're all hiding behind the freaking pillars.
Tape. chilling.
I'm the block your view. Like, you trying to hit up there?
Not yet, not yet.
I don't know what team these freaking kids are on. Watch the ref. There's a kid right, Drew, watch out, there's a kid right here shooting at us. I don't know what team he's on. Ayo, move up, move up, move up, move up. Hey, hey, move up.
Who's that right there?
Hey, move up. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, who's shooting? Ayo. Whoa, whoa. It's the shooting.
That man do not talk.
It's the shooting range. Oh, I got it.
Well, I'm just saying, that man don't talk. You get hit, you keep it quiet besides saying I'm hit.
What was that?
You can't say, hey, there's 5 guys over here waiting for this.
I'm so confused. I don't know where I am.
Oh, it's so stupid.
It's like shooting the shooting range. Yo, there's nobody with no tape over there.
Search forward, search forward.
Check first. Check on the ground. Yo, we didn't move up. There's nothing but tape up here.
Let's go. What are we doing? I can't even see out of my goggles right now.
I don't know what we're doing.
Where's Dan? Did he get shot?
We got shot. We've been shooting our friendly this whole time.
I know.
Yeah, niggas just on the views like they know what they did.
Stupid, dude. I can't see. Can you?
So where's the rest of the team? Where the hell are they? No, everybody, I guess they moved back over there because this
Dude, I need to make sure that my fucking team's on.
Let's fall back. Let's fall back.
I can't see.
Roger, roger, roger. People in our team went down that hallway.
Yeah, there's a lot of them getting shot.
What?
A lot of them are dropping out. They're getting shot.
Roger, 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 roger.
Room clear, the whole room clear. Entire room? The whole room clear.
Yeah.
Roger.
We're shooting
They all went over the
We
other side
have
of the building.
friendlies in here shooting back.
Fucking retard. Search car moving out.
Search car moving up. Oh, stop.
Clear.
I'll meet you back right there.
Yo, is any note tape in there?
No, there's all. It's all.
Where does everyone go, dude? Tape or no tape? Oh, you're dead. That's good. Roger. I don't know. They said there's no one in there, so let's go in there anyways.
The ice cream room.
Let's get in the line.
Everyone's saying that the ice cream room has tape.
Clear, clear. Good. Move up. Fucking pistol. Clear, going down the across the room. Good. Watch the right. Clear. Oops. What do I do? Roger, roger, roger. Let's move up. They're probably camping. I guarantee you they're camping. Let's go. Left, left, left. Not right. Hey! Hey! He did it. He did it. Left, left. I go straight across, straight across. That's not tape. That's no tape. That's no tape. Let's go get him. Left side. Go left side. Hug the wall. I can't see in there. Can't tell if there's a firefight in there. Right there, get down.
Who got light?
Me, but don't go far. Spencer, light him up, Spencer. Get the left side hallway. Left side hallway. Wait for him to come in, wait for him to come in, shoot him.
Wait for him to come in.
Roger. A fucking gas gun, that's fresh. I can't tell.
We can't tell who's hitting who's not. We gotta move up, bro.
Alright, let's go, but we have no lights. I have a light, but it's not just right. Spencer.
Who's over there?
No tape or no tape?
Tape or no tape? If they're no tape. Tape or no tape? What?
Drop the guys, we're laying weapons, head downstairs!
Someone busted their ass. This way.
Sorry, we were just shooting for 10 minutes on our own team.
Game's over. Game's over. Downstairs.
Good. Time out.
Game's over. Game over.